The fifth wheel for parallel parking, a 1930s invention, aimed to simplify parking in constrained spaces. Despite its innovative concept, it struggled with widespread adoption due to complexities and high costs. Reactions to these innovations were mixed. While some hailed them as groundbreaking, others dismissed them as mere gimmicks. The initial excitement typically waned as practical and production issues emerged. In 1987, Honda unveiled its four-wheel steering system, which significantly enhanced vehicle handling and maneuverability. This innovation improved stability and agility, particularly evident during high-speed cornering. Despite the advantages of four-wheel steering systems, consumers prioritized reliability and cost over these advanced features, leading to their gradual decline in the market. Ford's introduction of keyless entry transformed vehicle access, offering greater convenience and security. This innovation quickly became a major selling point for tech-savvy consumers. The EV1 by General Motors represented a crucial advancement in electric vehicles, highlighting cutting-edge battery technology and zero emissions. However, its high production costs limited wider market acceptance. The EV1 faced criticism for General Motors' insufficient commitment to electric vehicle development. This led to repossessions and protests from environmentalists, causing disappointment among enthusiasts. The Buick Centurion concept car introduced a pioneering rear-view camera aimed at improving safety by eliminating blind spots. Yet it was considered too advanced and expensive for the consumer market of the 1950s. Aston Martin's Lagonda featured a digital dashboard, showcasing a leap in automotive technology with its digital display and touch controls. Unfortunately, reliability issues and high production costs led to its eventual discontinuation. Swiveling headlights improved safety by illuminating roads during turns, reducing blind spots and boosting driver confidence, particularly critical for nighttime driving. The Tucker 48 also included a central headlight that pivoted with the steering wheel, enhancing visibility around corners in low-light conditions. Despite praise for its innovative design, the Tucker 48 encountered production hurdles, resulting in a limited number of models being built before the company's closure in 1950. HUD technology initially garnered attention for its potential to enhance driving safety and awareness, but manufacturing challenges hindered its widespread adoption. Heated seats, first introduced by Cadillac, revolutionized car comfort, showing the public's growing appetite for luxury and practicality in vehicles. Oldsmobile's rocket engine marked a significant technological breakthrough, establishing new performance standards and sparking competition among automakers in the post-war era. Electronic fuel injection, or EFI, replaced mechanical carburetors with electronic sensors, enabling precise fuel delivery and enhancing engine performance, marking a significant advancement in automotive engineering. Despite initial skepticism regarding reliability, EFI proved its value over time, becoming mainstream by the 1980s and overshadowing traditional carburetors. Volkswagen's pioneering EFI system not only transformed its own vehicles, but also set a precedent for the automotive industry, paving the way for modern engine technologies that greatly enhance efficiency.